How to fix your YouTube watch history is off. So right here, if it does not show any of your watch history, you have to exit from your YouTube and then you have to go ahead and open any of the application of Google. Here I have opened my Google app. So tap on the username icon at the top and tap on manage your Google account right here. Then tap on data and privacy. Scroll down. There you will see YouTube history, and as you can see it is toggled on. So just tap on it. So if you scroll down, you will see the option of turn off. It might be the case that you have accidentally turned off this YouTube history feature. So in this case, what it will display is that your YouTube history is turned off, as you can see right here. Then you simply have to tap on the YouTube history again where we first tapped. Then simply tap on turn on right here and tap on turn on once again. Then once you do that, your YouTube history will be restored in your YouTube. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.